Hey guys, we have a 2021 Toyota Highlander. Show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Okay, so we're going to go to turn the vehicle to the on position, trip number A. Now we're going to shut it off, turn it back on, hold down this button, hold down the trip selector, press the engine start stop again. It's going to start counting down. Keep holding this and it'll reset the oil maintenance light just like that. So what you want to do is put it on trip A, hold this down, turn it off, and turn it back on while you're holding this down, and it'll do the countdown, and that's how you reset it.